we're going sailing. I got my warm gloves on. That thing seems so, like, excessive. It's pretty fast. It's so big.
So it's around February 2016, and as you can see, we have a brand new member aboard. Her name is Kona, and she's a mutt at the ripe age of 3 months old. While I was taking a marine weather course, the boys took out Kona for her very first sail, one of many sails that would develop her mighty fine sea legs.
Song. I really like the song.
So tell me about today, Sean.
Well, Eric, we got up early, but the day has just been panning out to get nicer and nicer. We started out at good old Burrard.
And then we had beers before noon!
Yeah. Now we're coasting, we're drifting, a lovely dream. We got Red Hot Chili Peppers, brand new album on. Relative. Oh, well, here we have Kona, the fucking. You should have seen how hard she was working earlier. Now she's all tuckered out. She tucked herself in and she's fucking on snoozy time right now. How hard she was working earlier. Now she's all tuckered out. She tucked herself in and she's fucking on snoozy time right now.
That's probably why she's so tired.
Yeah, man. She got it all done. She got us here. See, look, we're at Horseshoe Bay, right? No, we're at Bowen Island.
Island.
At Snug Cove, the main area.
We made excellent time because the wind really whipped up.
Yeah.
A little bit. We had to motor,
We had
but
to
we
tie
were going 3 knots, and it's not too bad.
Never took a crew that big.
Yeah.
How was your first sailboat experience, Bo?
Good, I just saw a dog take a boat poop. First time in my entire life. Check it off the bucket list.
On the shit pad. This
Yeah.
is great.
Nonetheless. How good is this? The sun's a-shining.
So we get a lot of questions about having a dog aboard, yet alone raising a puppy aboard. One thing for certain is that it sure does take a lot of patience, no matter what their environment is. We use traditional methods of potty training Kona, getting a grass pad and encouraging her to go do her business there. There is definitely a lot of treats.
I don't think she likes the dinghy as much.
We getting synchronicity?
Well, you were just fucking pounding.
You know what the problem is? We don't have another boat screaming at us through a megaphone.
Yeah.
I wonder what happened. It's like, did a storm hit him, or just his rig was...
Did the guy on the pirate ship fucking come and fuck it up?
I think you should go on the more on your starboard side.
Well, kind
Yeah.
of, but both trying to fuck everything up. I thought we were going to that.
Wait, hold on.
Paddle!
What? No, we aren't gonna. You need to paddle.
No, we. I think I worked on it. I think I put the double doors on.
King Sean cooking food. Holy shit. That's a lot of cheese, man. You have to put that butter in there.
We need some more butter. Do you have any milk?
What are you thinking, Kona?
As you can imagine, there is a lot of boat prep to do when planning to go offshore. Eric's amazing mom flew all the way from Montreal, Quebec to Vancouver to give us a hand with all of the projects. She brought her partner Serge as well, and we showed them around Vancouver by land and sea.
Who's the cutest girl in the world? Oh, you know it is.
You got it?
She
She's eating the snow.
Oh, come on, Kona. Come on, girl. Come on. Yeah. How's the jump going today, Mom?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah. Eric's slow, but we're getting used to.
There's Kona sleeping on the job again.
Yeah.
This is Gambier Island, Port Graves, on a beautiful April 2nd, 2017. Hey Kona?
I think it's the first time I see Kona exploring everywhere.
Yeah, she's getting comfortable. What's this? That's the deck? Let's keep going, Kona. Let's give everyone at home a little dock tour, or deck tour. Jeez. This is the bow, the anchor locker, the windlass, Kona's poopy pee pad,
Nice yard.
backyard.
Coming.
There. Really?
I think
Kona,
Maybe
no.
that's where she's going.
Hey, Kona, no! Someone has to take her. Jesus. Thanks for your help.
Oh, your thing bang her ass when she finished.
What the fuck? I showed you where your pad is. God.
Kona. She's hiding.
Here you go, girl.
Hey. It's not food, it's a book. Although the weekend was calm and entailed mostly motoring, we were surprised with 25-knot winds and 6 to 9 feet of confused seas on our way home. This was partially due to the Georgia Strait and the Howe Sound coming together. As you can tell, this made for a very exciting end of Eric's mom's first sailing trip, and we were definitely a little shook up by the time we got back to the dock. But that is sailing life. Some days you get glassy waters, and other days are a little choppier and a little less comfortable. But that's okay, it's all part of the fun. In the next episode of Wandersailing, we start putting some serious work into Black Dragon. We start to build our mainsail, pull the boat out of the water, and got some unpleasant surprises while at it. Did you like this episode? Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to follow along the adventure. You can also help us keep afloat and fuel the dream by becoming a patron. Patrons get exclusive VIP access, rewards, Wandersailing shop discounts, and more. Check out patreon.com/wandersailing. XOXO, Eric, Caroline, and Kona.